Scene 2, take 3.
What was your favorite part about camp this year?
All of it.
Well, I wanted to try something new. I'm usually in my cave at home, playing video games, whatever. I just thought it was a great opportunity just to meet other people with autism.
I am ultimately very impressed with the kids. They picked up everything really, really quickly. It shocked me, it really did.
My favorite part about the film this year is getting to know kids and bonding, and then also like doing some acting and teamwork to like work together during the acting.
We have great
news.
We've been through so much.
Relax, let me help.
Let's take it.
My favorite part about coming to camp, well, is to make movies and to act. My favorite part about being at camp is making friends, learning how to make movies, and improving my abilities to make YouTube videos.
We've been very pleased with Camp Createability. It's fit very well with my son and the different skills that he has and what he likes to do. And so, yeah, we've been really pleased with
I think Camp Createability helps kids with autism in that it helps give them a new skill set, and in exploring this new skill set, they might find areas that they really enjoy. Take your disability, and you know the quirks of it, you can use that to your advantage.